Hello everyone, welcome to our channel HRM Academia. Hope you all are doing well. Learning is not hard, but it depends on the way of learning. Accordingly, now I am here to make your learning simple, smart and creative. Before moving to the lesson, first I'll introduce myself. I am Fasna, graduated from University of Peradeniya with the degree of Bachelor of Business Administration, specialized in Human Resource Management with first class. I am a well-experienced lecturer in the field of recruitment and selection, training and development, strategic human resource management, international human resource management, organization behavior and leadership. I always love teaching and sharing the knowledge with others. With that information, let's start our first lesson, Introduction to Human Resource Management. In this lesson, we are going to look on what human resource management is. Fine. Before learning the definition of HRM, I just want to give simple background idea of HRM. Think about a nation. The ultimate purpose of a nation is to improve the living standard of people through fulfilling needs and wants of them. If we ask the question, how does living standard increase in a nation? The answer is through producing goods and services. Then, who produces goods and services for the country? It is the organization. The organization is all about a group consisting of people with formally assigned roles who work together to achieve specific goal. Accordingly, organization produce goods and services like food, the clothes, vehicles, books, etc. in order to meet the people's needs and wants in a nation. So students, it is visible that the success of an organization is very important for the success of a nation. So, we have to think which makes the organization successful. The answer is the management. Here, it is better to know what is management. It is the process of efficient and effective utilization of resources in order to achieve goals of an organization. Therefore, it is very clear that good management is very important to run an organization successfully. Accordingly, there are 6 functional fields in organizational management: operation management, marketing management, finance management, human resource management, and research and development. Let me explain this with an example. My dears, think that you are going to start a textile business where you need to produce clothes. When we produce it effectively and efficiently, we call it as operation management or production management. After producing, you need to package, advertise and sell. It's referred as marketing management. Now, you completed production and sold it out. So now, as a business, you are supposed to evaluate profit and loss of your business. So, financial management takes place. Is that all? No, there is a crucial function to be happened. It means the organizations need to hire employees to produce and market their goods, need to give training to improve their knowledge and skills, and to evaluate their performance, etc. We call this functional field as human resource management, which is the far most important function in organizational management. Now, I think it is the best moment to learn the definition of Human Resource Management HRM. Let's move. Definition is human resource management is the efficient and effective utilization of human resources to achieve goals of an organization. To understand this definition, you have to remember 3 terms: human resources, efficient and effective utilization, and goal. First, human resources. Human resources means simply employees who work for the organization. Students, you should know there are many resources within the organization such as physical resources, financial resources, information and human resources, etc. Among them, human resource is the most significant resource. You know why? Because HR has the ability to think, feel and react. Also it has the ability of creativity and innovation which cannot be found in any other resources. For an example, when we look at the evolution of phones, there are a lot of new and advanced features available in smartphones like Apple, Samsung, then all model phones. What or who is the reason for the innovation and transformation? Definitely the human resources, their ability of thinking and creativity. With the use of only machinery and finance, we couldn't make this world with new goods and services. That's why managing these human resources is very significant. With that understanding, let's move to second term, efficient and effective utilization. First, efficiency means optimum use of employees by minimizing wastage and cost. Next, effective utilization refers using employees as much as to accomplish goals of the organization on time. The last term is goal. Goal refers to desired targets to be achieved in future. As a student, you might have a goal of achieving first class in your degree. Likewise, organization also has one or several goals like to increase the sales and profit, to increase market share, to achieve corporate growth, etc. Fine. With these three terms, let's try to understand this definition. Human resource management is simply utilizing human resources. How these resources should be used effectively and efficiently, and what is the ultimate purpose of using these human resources in order to achieve the particular goal of the organization. That's it guys. Now let's move to second definition. HRM also defined as the process of managing human talent. It means human capital to achieve an organization's objective. In this definition, instead of using the term human resource, the author has used the term human talent. What is human talent? Human talent refers to the knowledge, skills, ability and other capabilities of individuals that have economic value to an organization. Smartly, you can remember this as KSAO. So, HRM is not just managing the employees physically, rather it's all about managing their knowledge, skills and other capabilities. Let's move to last definition. It is the process of acquiring, training, appraising and compensating employees and of attending to their labor relations, health and safety and fairness concern. This definition talks about the process of HRM. Accordingly, HRM includes following process. Imagine you are HR manager of ABC company, where first you need to do job design and job analysis. It means first you need to decide the type of task, duties in a job and what are the requirements expected from the employees to be hired. After deciding the jobs, as a manager, you need to plan your human resources, where you will determine the availability of employees currently and employees needed in future. Then after, you will recruit and select the employees with relevant qualifications to the job. After hiring them, you are supposed to measure employees' performance, degree to which they have performed well. After that, it is your responsibility to provide training and development to improve current and future employees' performance, and have to give rewards in terms of salary in return for their employment. Meanwhile, as an HR manager, it is your responsibility to concern about employees' health and safety, discipline, their grievances and labor relations among managing board, employees and trade union. These are the HRM functions that we are going to learn in future throughout our channel HRM Academia. In a nutshell, Today we learned the basic idea of human resource management and what human resource management is, where we discussed three definitions given by different authors and the process of HRM briefly. That's all guys. I hope you have understood today's lesson. For your reference, I have attached important definition and explanation in the description. I'll meet you again in another important lesson. Thank you very much.